Hello everyone. In this video, we will understand the basics of organisms and populations. Let's begin with the levels of ecological organization. At the smallest level, we have organisms. A group of organisms of the same species forms a population. Different populations living together make a community. And at a larger regional level, communities form biomes. Now, what determines a biome? Ungli se dahini aur ishara ki rule, temperature and rainfall determine the biome. If we look at the graph of mean annual temperature versus mean annual precipitation, different biomes appear in different regions. Desert occurs where rainfall is very low. Grassland exists at moderate rainfall and temperature. Tropical forest forms where both temperature and rainfall are high. Temperate forest occurs in moderate conditions. Coniferous forest appears in cooler regions. Arctic and alpine tundra occur at very low temperatures. Next, let's discuss the major ecological factors affecting organisms. Temperature, it is the most ecologically relevant factor. For example, mango trees do not grow in very cold regions. Thanda pasina water, life depends on water. Salinity also matters, freshwater has less than 5 ppt salt, while seawater has about 30-35 ppt. Light is essential for photosynthesis and photoperiodism. Paudha soil grain size and composition determine the type of vegetation. Finally, organisms differ in tolerance to temperature. Eurothermal organisms have a wide temperature tolerance, common in many mammals. Stenothermal organisms have a narrow tolerance range, for example, polar bears. Next topic is responses to abiotic stress. When organisms face a stressful habitat, they mainly adopt 4 strategies: regulate, conform, migrate, and suspend. First, regulate. In this strategy, organisms maintain homeostasis, that is, they keep their internal temperature or osmotic concentration constant despite changes in the external environment. Who shows this? Birds and mammals. In fact, the success of mammals is due to their constant body temperature. Second, conform. Here, the body temperature changes with the ambient temperature. About 99% of animals are conformers. Why don't all animals evolve regulation? Because of energy costs. Small animals lose heat very fast due to their high surface area to volume ratio, so regulation becomes inefficient. Third, migrate. This is a temporary movement from a stressful habitat to a more hospitable one. Example, Koledo National Park in Rajasthan hosts Siberian cranes during migration. Fourth, suspend. Organisms survive unfavorable conditions by forming thick-walled spores in bacteria and fungi, or by entering dormancy in seeds. Some animals show hibernation winter sleep, for example in bears. Estivation summer sleep, for example in snails. Diapause seen in zooplankton. Next topic. Title: Population attributes, demography, vital rates, birth and death rates are measured per capita. For example, if 4 fruit flies die in a group of 40, the death rate equals 0.1 individuals. Sex ratio: this represents the proportion of males and females in a population. For example, 60% females and 40% males. Population density, N. Population density is calculated as N equals number, space age pyramid types. There are 3 growth patterns based on age structure. Expanding population pre-reproductive group is larger than the reproductive group. Stable population pre-reproductive group is approximately equal to the reproductive group. Declining population pre-reproductive group is smaller than the reproductive group. Key point: the base width of the pyramid indicates the future growth status of the population. Next topic: population growth models. In this topic, we study population growth models. There are 2 main types of population growth. First, exponential growth, also called the J-shaped curve. This occurs under the condition of unlimited resources. Here, population size is represented by n, and time by t. In exponential growth, the rate of change of population is given by dn dt equals Rn, where R is the intrinsic rate of natural increase. For example, the Norway rat has an R value of 0.015. The population increases rapidly in a J-shaped pattern. However, in nature, such growth cannot continue forever. Second, logistic growth, also called the S-shaped curve. This occurs under limited resources, which is the real-life situation. In logistic growth, the population initially grows fast, then slows down, and finally stabilizes at the carrying capacity, K. The equation for logistic growth is dn dt equals Rn, K ghatav n, K. This model is known as the Verhulst-Pearl logistic growth. Key point: Darwin never saw exponential growth last forever because in reality, resources become limited and populations stabilize. Next topic, species interactions, friendships, jod, or jod, zero. In species interactions, different relationships exist between species A and species B when both species benefit, jod. The interaction is called mutualism. When both are harmed, it is competition. When one benefits and the other is harmed, jod ya ghatav, it is predation or parasitism. When one benefits and the other is unaffected, jod, zero, it is commensalism. When one is harmed and the other is unaffected, zero, it is amensalism. Mutualism, jod, both win. Examples include lichens, fungus jod algae, mycorrhizae, fungi jod roots, fig and wasp, co-evolution, pollination for egg-laying site, sexual deceit, orchid looks like female bee. Commensalism, jod, zero, one wins, one doesn't care. Examples include orchid on mango branch, barnacles on whale, cattle egret and cow, clownfish and sea anemone. Next topic, title, The Hunters or the Hitchhikers, jod, ghatav. Now we will understand two important biological interactions, predation and parasitism. First, predation. Predation plays the role of an energy conduit and population control in ecosystems. Example, the prickly pear cactus is controlled by moth. Prey organisms have developed several defenses. Number 1, camouflage, seen in frogs. Number 2, chemical war, the monarch butterfly is poisonous. Number 3, thorns, as in acacia plants. Remember the rule of the prudent predator, don't overeat, or you both die. Next, parasitism. Parasitism means free lodging and meals for the parasite. There are different types, ectoparasites, outside the host, lice and ticks. Endoparasites, inside the host, liver fluke and plasmodium. Brood parasitism, the cuckoo lays its eggs in the crow's nest. Parasites show special adaptations such as hooks, suckers, and high reproduction. Next topic, competition. In ecology, competition occurs when two closely related species depend on the same limited resources. According to the competitive exclusion principle, such species cannot coexist for long. Eventually, one species gets eliminated. A classic example is the Abingdon tortoise and goats in the Galapagos, where competition for food led to the decline of the tortoise population. However, species can sometimes avoid direct competition. For instance, MacArthur's warblers reduce conflict by feeding at different times or in different zones of the same tree. This strategy is called resource partitioning. Ungli se dahini or ishara, in short, same niche strong competition. Different niche coexistence possible. Extra note, in amensalism, 0, one organism is harmed while the other is unaffected, for example, Penicillium mold-killing bacteria. Next and last topic, today's quick exam cheat sheet, don't forget. First, diapause equals zooplankton. Next, homeostasis equals thermoregulation plus osmoregulation. Remember, lichen shows mutualism. Important example, brood parasitism equals cuckoo. And, sexual deceit equals orchid plus bee. Warning sign, warning, growth models. Exponential growth is given by dn, dt equals rn, J-shaped curve. Logistic growth is dn, dt equals rn, k ghatav n, k, S-shaped curve. Bar graph. Population density formula, n, t jod 1, equals n, t, jod, b jod I, ghatav, d jod e. Revision complete, A+ ready. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bell. Next chapter is coming soon.